Today, we will show you how to clean the charging contacts and ensure the Garmin charging cable is working as intended. Whether your watch accepts one of our charging clips or plug-style charging cables, this process will be the same. For this process, you will need either an alcohol wipe or a non-abrasive cleaning solution such as rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab. With the watch facing down, start by gently cleaning the charging contacts with the alcohol wipe or damp cotton swab. Then, dry the contacts. Be sure the watch is dried before continuing. Next, you will need to make sure the charging cable is attaching properly. Inspect the charging cable to make sure there is no damage to the pogo pins. If there is damage to the cable, visit Garmin.com to order a replacement. If your watch uses a charging clip, verify the contacts on the charging clip line up with the charging pins on the watch. Then, snap the charging clip onto the watch. If your watch uses the plug-style charging cable, attach the charging cable to the charging port on the watch. You should notice that the watch is charging as intended. If you continue to have charging issues, we recommend trying to attach the cable to another power source. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.